and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. The first tool is CTEK's CT5 TIME to GO battery charger. A series of LED lights gives the user a good indication of different charging stations and how long the battery has till it's fully charged. This charger is fully automatic and can be directly connected to the battery indefinitely if required. Next up, we have VIM Tools 5-piece Flex Finger Plier Kit. This kit includes a button clip tool with a swivel head, a fuse puller tool, a relay puller tool, body clip mini pliers, and a wire connector. The tools are colored bright green for easy visibility, and each tool can fit in a shirt pocket for quick access. Next is the Cummins front and rear crankshaft seal remover and installer master kit from CTA Tools. This kit is designed to install and remove the front and rear crankshaft seals on Cummins engines, including ISB, ISC, ISL, QSB, and B and C series models from 1989 to current. It's compatible with factory OE seals and wear sleeves. The next tool is a diagnostic product, Bosch's HD Diagnostic Solution, which is designed to bring OE-level heavy-duty coverage to the shop floor with an all-in-one subscription that unlocks access to repair information and wiring diagrams for all makes and models. The 3-piece SAE Flex Finger Ratchet Wrench set from Matco Tools is our final product. It features a compact, palm-sized design for fast, easy hand movements, making this set helpful in tight areas like dashboards, door panels, and engine bays. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.